It's a wonderful thing, space. It captures the imagination, inspires, but you probably heard this speech. The truth is that we have to go there with a sense of cooperation. War in space is many times more destructive than science fiction would have you believe. We only have a few real-world cases of it, but the point will chill your spine. Recently, meaning only a few years ago, both China and the US tested out blowing up a satellite. The consequences were harsh. Debris now litters low Earth orbit, and probably will for decades. Further back, when nuclear tests were being done in space, they found out a nuke in space is much more destructive than one in the atmosphere, able to cripple an entire country on Earth. And who could forget the omnipresent threat of nuclear war via ICBMs? A missing bullet in space would simply orbit around until it hit something. Debris from an explosion has a continuous liability to cause collateral damage and hurt people and things. We cannot go into the vast unknown of space with the belligerent attitude of the past. The few examples that we have in the real world today show that space warfare is over 1,000 times more destructive than its modern terrestrial equivalents. This alone should be enough to convince any peace-loving person that we should go there, because it's going to force us as humanity to get along, to work together rather than against one another, to think about peace rather than feel about war.